You may wonder what we are doing. I tell you what we are doing. We are sitting here observing two seagulls. Why would we be observing two seagulls? Well, it's simple. Why not? Two old fogies. No, speak for yourself. I'm not old. Two fogies. You see? Two fogies. There's one. There's another one. Two fogies and the seagull. He's the one that's separated from his darling friend. So that's what we do on a wet, damp, rainy, drizzly, mizzly, windy, breezy, Irish Monday morning. That's what we do. Stay safe, free, warm, and be happy. Bye.